Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability Law Firm. We're going to be doing video 28 of 50 of the top ALJ trick questions that you might come into contact with while doing your ALJ hearing. Let's go ahead and read this one. I noticed you are present without a cane, crutch, or walker. Here's the trick question. When somebody walks in and they're claiming back pain or supportive weight-based weight-supporting joint, hip, knees, back, ankles, your 1.02, 1.4 base stuff, under the listing codes, musculoskeletal. When you run into that sort of question, the judge is saying, where's your cane? Where's your crutch? Where's your walker? Where's your wheelchair? Where's your special orthopedic shoes? Where's your braces? Where's your blah, 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 knee card? Whatever. What they're doing is they're saying, y'all must not be that bad now. That's the problem, right? Because let's call it like it is. If you're not coming in with a walker, wheelchair, cane, crutch, or something like that, you probably aren't that bad to be able to do the functional aspects of walking. Oh no, I'm terrible. I'm super duper bad. I'm super bad, right? But then where's the objective evidence of it? Right? That's why it's a trick question, because they're saying, where is it? And then you're sitting there fumbling, going, I don't know. And then you're going, I thought this hearing was going to go well. Now it's not going well. Now, okay, so you're in one of those situations. So what you have to remember with this is that, okay, first of all, calm down. You are not as smart as you think you are, which means you are not going to outsmart a judge who does 5 to 10 hearings, every couple of days or every day. Some of them do that. You're not going to outsmart them. So just be honest with them. I know it hurts. I know it burns. But the reality is that you don't have a crutch or a cane or a walker because A, you're not a drop risk, and B, it's really not that bad in the pain. You're sucking it up, okay? So I notice you are present without a cane, crutch, or walker. Do you need one to ambulate? That's how the question will come across. And you'll have to say, I guess not because I don't have one. Something to think about, all right? Now, I'm keeping these videos short because I have to go to 50, and it's going to take me all the way from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m., and then I got to do other work and then come back to doing law firm work. So let's go ahead and do this. If you have any questions or you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call. I try to get to everybody, but it's almost impossible getting back to everybody who's not my client. So just realize, if you keep bugging me, I'll get back to you. If you don't keep bugging me, you might get lost in the cracks because I have to invest my time specifically into my clients first, and then all the other wonderful, lovely people that I love then thereafter. Okay, cool. All right, so another thing, at 8 p.m. on the 9th and every Thursday thereafter, I will go ahead and be online live on Facebook, where you can call the 407-279-1754 phone number, and I will communicate with you specifically on these types of questions, and I will grill you and beat you up. You have to call me, and when I say, okay, we have so-and-so on the line, that better be a fake name. You have to give me a fake name, and then I'll go through all the bullet points, the disclaimer that you have to say yes to, okay? As long as we get through that, we should be good to go. We're going to be going to question 29 of the 50 top ALJ trick questions. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch up from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.